Then Agile Control, the 7 control parameters. So the 9th annual State of Agile survey received input from nearly 4,000 people between 2016 and 17. It revealed that Agile practice among the respondents and increased by 48%. Unfortunately, 11% of them were unaware of any Agile metrics. This lack of awareness impedes the improvement of Agile methodology because ways of measuring its impact are absent. Here are 7 parameters that you can use to measure the effectiveness of your Agile initiative. First is on time delivery. 58% of the respondents believe that on time delivery was the most significant measure of success in Agile practice. In this case, on time delivery means that a particular item required by the business arrived on the expected date, regardless of the proposed features. In other words, all parties adhere to every condition in the contract as initially agreed. Second is quality of the product. 48% of the respondents mentioned quality as the primary measure of the success when it came to agile initiative. To put it differently, the condition of the software is their chief concern. For example, is it usable? Is it secure? Is it reliable? Achieving high standards of excellence in the production of software is only possible if it undergoes constant development, testing, and monitoring. 54% of the respondents stated that they measured the success of agile process by examining the level of customer satisfaction. They would analyze it by referring to the volume of calls made by users to the company's support team. They would look at sales figure as well as an addition to the rate at which people are using the product. Next is business value. 44% of the respondents claimed that they assessed agile methodologies based on the worth that they brought into the business. They measured this worth through well defined analytical techniques, including statement of work. They also estimated it by thinking each feature the product has to a specific value that it bring into the business. Fifth is scope of feature and requirements. 39 of the respondents stated that they analyzed agile initiatives based on the scope of the product. More specifically, they looked at the features of the software and its requirements. Fortunately, the collection of this metric is a straightforward process. The parties involved can do it in agile stand-up meetings while representing it through burn down charts or Kanban boards. Then next is visibility of the project. Project visibility is the most significant measure of agile initiative for 30% of the respondents in the survey. Achieving a high level of it is possible if the parties involved share the product across multiple platforms. They have to do it in diverse ways so that everyone can play a role towards the success of the project. Seventh is level of productivity. The level of 29 the level of productivity and the predictability. 29% of the respondents stated that they measured agile processes by examining their level of productivity. Burn-up charts are an excellent way of collecting data for this metric. Determining predictability is also possible by reviewing the product's velocity trends. For example, fluctuating levels of velocity with an indication of unpredictability.